Section 1. The Great Cosmic Puzzle. Setting the stage. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt small? Like a tiny speck in the vast expanse of the cosmos? Like a tiny ant in a giant cosmic picnic basket? It's a humbling feeling, right? The sheer scale of the universe can make us feel insignificant. Yet we are deeply connected to something much larger. We humans have been asking the big questions about our place in the universe for ages. From ancient philosophers pondering under starlit skies to modern scientists peering through powerful telescopes. Where did it all come from? How does it work? These questions have driven our quest for knowledge and understanding. And is there some kind of grand cosmic architect behind it all? A force or intelligence that set everything into motion? This, my friends, is where the cosmic clash between science and religion comes in. A clash that has shaped our history and our worldview. For centuries, these two powerful forces have been portrayed as rivals, locked in an epic battle for our hearts and minds, each claiming to hold the ultimate truth. Science, with its telescopes and test tubes, promised to unlock the secrets of the universe through reason and observation. It gave us the tools to explore the cosmos and understand its workings. Religion, with its ancient texts and spiritual practices, offered faith and meaning in a world often shrouded in mystery. It provided a sense of purpose and connection to the divine. But what if I told you that this cosmic clash isn't quite what it seems? What if the perceived conflict is more of a misunderstanding? What if, instead of being locked in a cosmic cage match, science and religion could actually complement each other, offering us different but equally valid ways of understanding the universe and our place within it? Imagine a world where these two perspectives work in harmony. Buckle up, fellow space travelers, as we embark on a mind-bending journey through the cosmos, exploring the fascinating and often surprising relationship between God and science. We'll uncover stories and insights that challenge our assumptions. We'll delve into the history of these two seemingly opposing forces, from the ancient philosophers to modern-day cosmologists. We'll see how their ideas have evolved and influenced each other. We'll grapple with the big questions about the origin of the universe, the nature of consciousness, and the possibility of life beyond our pale blue dot. These are questions that touch the very core of our existence. And who knows, we might just find that the universe is even more awe-inspiring and mysterious than we ever imagined. The answers we seek may lead to new questions and deeper mysteries. So grab your thinking caps and get ready for a wild ride through the cosmos. Together we'll explore the wonders of the universe and our place within it. It's going to be an epic adventure, one that will expand our minds and inspire our spirits. Section 2. Exploding microwaves and the birth of the universe. Let's start with a bang, shall we? The biggest bang of all, in fact. I'm talking, of course, about the Big Bang, the prevailing scientific theory for the origin of the universe. This monumental event set the stage for everything we know and see today. Now, I know what you're thinking. Neil, explaining the Big Bang is about as easy as teaching a cat to do your taxes. But trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Let's break it down together. Imagine, if you will, a microwave. Not the one in your kitchen, unless you're prone to cosmic culinary mishaps, but a cosmic microwave. Infinitely small and unimaginably hot. This isn't your average kitchen appliance, it's a primordial powerhouse. This tiny, super dense speck of energy was the seed from which our entire universe sprouted. It contained all the matter and energy that would eventually form everything we know. About 13.8 billion years ago, this cosmic microwave decided to have a really bad day. It exploded with a force that makes a supernova look like a firecracker. This explosion wasn't just any explosion, it was the birth of time, space, and everything in between. And just like that, the universe was born. From that moment, everything began to change and evolve. Space itself expanded faster than a cheetah on a caffeine rush, cooling and stretching as it went. This rapid expansion is known as cosmic inflation, and it set the stage for the universe's continued growth. Over billions of years, this cosmic soup of energy coalesced into matter, forming stars, galaxies, and eventually planets like our own. The universe became a vast, complex tapestry of celestial bodies and cosmic phenomena. Pretty impressive for an exploding microwave, right? It's mind-boggling to think that everything we see today started from such a tiny, hot speck. But here's where things get really interesting. The story of the universe's birth is just the beginning. The Big Bang Theory is supported by a mountain of scientific evidence, from the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, to the observed expansion of the universe. These pieces of evidence help us understand the universe's origins and its ongoing evolution. Yet for some, the idea of a universe that simply popped into existence out of nothing raises more questions than it answers. It's a concept that challenges our understanding of reality. If the Big Bang was the beginning, what came before it, and what or who set the whole thing in motion? These are profound questions that push the boundaries of science and philosophy. These are questions that science, at least for now, can't fully answer. Our current understanding has limits, and the mysteries of the universe continue to intrigue and inspire us. And it's in this space of mystery and wonder that faith and spirituality often find a foothold. The unknown invites us to explore not just with our minds but with our hearts and imaginations as well. Section 3. When Science and Religion were BFFs. For much of human history, science and religion weren't seen as opposing forces at all. In fact, they were often viewed as two sides of the same coin, both seeking to understand the universe and our place within it. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, saw the divine in the natural world. The stars were not just balls of burning gas, but celestial beings, guiding our destinies and shaping the course of human events. The sun, moon, and planets were worshipped as gods, their movements carefully observed and recorded. Thinkers like Aristotle and Ptolemy developed sophisticated models of the cosmos, blending philosophical and religious ideas with astronomical observations. These early cosmologies may seem quaint to us now, but they were a testament to the human desire to find meaning and order in the universe. The heavens were not just a random collection of stars, but a divine tapestry woven together by a higher power. Section 4. Galileo's Telescope and the Great Divide. Fast forward a few centuries, and the relationship between science and religion began to get a bit more complicated. What was once a harmonious coexistence started to show signs of tension and conflict. Enter Galileo Galilei, the Italian astronomer who dared to challenge the prevailing view of the cosmos. His curiosity and determination to understand the universe led him to question long-held beliefs. Armed with his trusty telescope, a technological marvel at the time, Galileo made a series of groundbreaking observations that shook the foundations of the scientific and religious establishments. His discoveries were not just incremental, they were revolutionary. He observed mountains on the moon, challenging the idea of celestial perfection. This was a direct contradiction to the Aristotelian view that the heavens were smooth and unblemished. He discovered 4 moons orbiting Jupiter, providing evidence for a heliocentric, sun-centered solar system, which contradicted the prevailing geocentric, earth-centered view championed by the Catholic Church. This was a monumental shift in our understanding of the universe. Galileo's observations, combined with his outspoken support for the Copernican model of the solar system, put him at odds with the Church, which viewed his ideas as heretical. His insistence on evidence-based science was seen as a direct threat to religious authority. The Galileo affair, as it came to be known, is often cited as a prime example of the conflict between science and religion. It was a dramatic and pivotal moment in history. It's a story of intellectual courage, scientific discovery, and the clash between dogma and evidence-based inquiry. Galileo's steadfastness in the face of immense pressure is a testament to his commitment to the truth. Galileo's persecution by the Church cast a long shadow over the relationship between science and religion, contributing to the perception of these two domains as fundamentally at odds. This divide has influenced the discourse on science and religion for centuries, shaping the way we view the pursuit of knowledge and belief.